Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about circumference and area of circles. So, let's get started. Before jumping onto the circumference and area part, let's first have a look at what makes circles as a 2D shape so different from other 2D shapes. A circle is a shape formed by all the points on a flat surface that are the same distance from one central point. The word equidistant means the points are all the same distance away. Note that I'm showing you only 4 points here to illustrate my point. Moving on, the circumference of a circle is the distance around its edge, which is basically the circle's perimeter. The diameter of a circle is a straight line across the circle, passing through the circle's center, as you can see here. Across the circle, the diameter is the longest distance. Pi is the value that relates the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Over here, I'm showing you the formulae for area and circumference of a circle. The capital letter AE is for the area, the capital letter C is for the circumference, the lowercase letter d is for the diameter, and the lowercase r is for the radius. The formula to find the area of a circle is pi r squared. So you basically multiply pi with the square of the radius. As you can see, there are 2 formulae you can use to find the circumference. One is pi multiplied by diameter, and the other is 2 pi r, which is 2 multiplied by pi and the radius. Here's an example. Over here, we have to find the area and perimeter of the circle. First, we will find the area. We know the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Simply substitute the values into the formula. Substitute 5 for the radius, which is given in the diagram here. Then, input into your calculator. Input pi multiplied by 5 squared, which is 25. We usually input pi on a calculator by pressing the Shift button, followed by pressing the button which has times 10 to the power of x written on it. Once you have entered all this into your calculator, press the equal to button to get the answer. As you can see here, the answer is a pretty long value. So, we are going to round it to 3 significant figures. Therefore, our answer for the area of the circle is 78.5 centimeters squared. Now, we're going to answer for the perimeter. The perimeter, which is basically the circle's circumference, has 2 formulae, as I mentioned earlier. I'm using the formula 2 pi r over here, but you can choose any. And remember, the diameter of a circle is simply 2 multiplied by the radius. In this case, it would be 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. Moving back to our answer, now we substitute the radius in our formula, 2 pi r with 5. Then, enter 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 5 in your calculator and press the equals to button. As you can see again, our answer is quite a long one. So, taking it to 3 significant figures gives us 31.4. Therefore, our answer is 31.4 centimeters. Here's another trickier example. As shown here, we are dealing with the area and perimeter of a semicircle this time. So, let's first start with the area. The area of a semicircle is half times the area of a circle, pi r squared. We substitute the radius for r in the formula. In order to find the radius when the diameter is given, we simply divide the diameter by 2. Remember that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So, the radius is half the diameter. So, in this case, we divide 20 by 2 to get the radius as 10 centimeters. Substitute 10 centimeters as the radius, r, in the formula. Then, in your calculator, only enter 1 by 2 times 10 squared and press the equals to button. For this, you will get 50. Then, as we have to give our answers in terms of pi, just write 50 pi as your final answer. Therefore, the area is 50 pi centimeters squared. Now to find the perimeter of the semicircle. For a semicircle's perimeter, we have to consider two parts. The arc of the circle, which is the curved area here, and the semicircle's diameter. To get the curved part, first choose the formula for the circumference. I am choosing pi times diameter. Then substitute the value for diameter into the formula, which over here is 20. Now, note that we have to take the half of pi times 20 as this is a semicircle, half of the whole circle. Then, we have to add the diameter, which is 20. Since we have to give our answer in terms of pi, only multiply 20 by a half so you get 10. Then, write your answer as 10 pi plus 20. We will not multiply pi and let it be, and we will not add the 20 and just let it be, as we have to present our answer in terms of pi. So, our answer for the semicircle's perimeter is 10 pi plus 20 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll be back with another video soon.